Hello, my name is Pedro Suarez, and I will be presenting my second CCR question. How does your product engage with audiences, and how would it be distributed as a real media text? The magazine product engages with audiences by providing interesting, conceptual, and entertaining information about the topics that are spoken about. By providing entertaining and relevant information concerning cars to the audience targeted towards them, it engages the audience and provides them with entertainment through the unknown facts and wonders about the different vehicles and events concerning them. Now, how the magazine would be sold in the first place is through a deal with a distributor and an advertiser, followed by strategic planning and deployment of the magazines throughout the state of Florida. The advertiser would first make sure that my magazine would get initial and progressive attention, getting more and more popularity throughout the time, while the distributor would handle the distribution and remind me of any inventory or restock changes that need to occur in order to keep the magazines always available. And on top of that, a brand or trademark would be necessary in order to make sure no one were to copy this magazine, as well as a website where readers can access more information online. Thank you.